Church's Texas Chicken, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Church's Texas Chicken. Church's Texas Chicken is one of the biggest fried chicken restaurant chains in the world. It was founded in 1952 by George W. Church Sr. in San Antonio, Texas, right across from the Alamo. The brand is known for its bold Texas flavor, hand-battered chicken, and honey butter biscuits. Church's earns money by selling food and drinks in its restaurants and by franchising to independent owners. Today, it has over 1,500 locations in more than 20 countries. The mission of Church's is to bring the bold taste of Texas to guests at a great value. Its vision is to become the global franchisor of choice by helping franchisees build successful businesses. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about Church's Texas Chicken, from how the franchise works to how much it costs, what you can earn, and what support you'll get. Let's dive in! 1. How does a Church's Texas Chicken franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Church's operates on a franchise system. That means you own and run your own restaurant, but you follow Church's rules, recipes, and branding. Fee structure. You pay an initial franchise fee of $15,000. Then every month you pay 5% of your gross sales as a royalty fee and 2% for marketing. Support from Church's. Franchisees get full training, help with choosing a location, restaurant design, operations, and marketing. Church's uses the SuccessPlan platform to deliver training that's mobile-friendly and easy to use.
Anecdote. Church's first restaurant only sold fried chicken and jalapenos. Fries weren't added until 1955, 3 years after opening. That's how focused they were on perfecting their chicken.
2. Entry costs for Church's. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Besides the $15,000 franchise fee, you'll need to pay for real estate, construction, equipment, signs, licenses, and supplies. Total initial investment ranges from $6,500 to $15,370. Potential earnings. The average Church's restaurant earns between $6,000 and $16,000 per year. Your earnings depend on location, management, and how well you follow the brand's system.
Anecdote. George Church started the first Church's Chicken with a simple stand across from the Alamo. He used windows to show live chickens inside, a bold move that drew crowds and made history.
3. What do you need to qualify as a Church's franchisee? Key information. Financial requirements. You need at least $1,000 in liquid assets and a net worth of $2,000. A credit score of 650 plus is also required. Experience. Church's prefers franchisees with at least 5 years of restaurant experience. You must commit to opening 5 restaurants within 5 years. Character. They look for people who are passionate, hardworking, and ready to follow the system.
Anecdote. Church's Chicken is known for its southern hospitality. In fact, their training includes lessons on how to greet guests with warmth and friendliness. It's part of their brand DNA.
4. What are the ongoing costs of running a Church's franchise? Key information. Royalty fees, 5% of gross annual revenue. Marketing fees, 2% of gross annual revenue. Property taxes, only the cost of real estate taxes, typically $1,000 to $3,000 per month depending on location. Licensing fees, includes business licenses and permits. Training costs are not included in this fee. They're listed separately in startup costs. State and local taxes. These include sales taxes and use taxes. In some areas, you may also pay extra fees for health permits or signage. These vary by state and city.
Anecdote. Churches once ran a promotion with Coca-Cola called Be Heard, using mobile tech to let customers vote on new menu items. It was a hit with younger fans and boosted engagement nationwide.
Monthly operating costs. What does it take to keep churches running? Key information. Rent. $5,000 to $15,000 per month, depending on location. Payroll. $5,000 to $15,000 per month, depending on staff size. Ingredients, $2,000 to $5,000 per month for chicken, sides, and drinks. Utilities, $3,000 to $1,000 per month for electricity, water, and gas. Maintenance, $2,000 to $5,000 per month for repairs and upkeep. Insurance, $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Marketing, $2,000 to $5,000 per month for local ads and promotions. Cleaning supplies, $500 to $2,000 per month. Total of all taxes. On average, taxes, sales, use, property, total around $3,000 to $7,000 per month depending on location and revenue.
Anecdote. To save money and help the planet, churches partnered with Fresh Fry to extend the life of frying oil. Their pods cut oil costs and reduce waste, a win-win for franchisees and the environment.
What support and training does churches offer to franchisees? Key information. Training platform. Churches uses SuccessPlan, a global learning system that offers mobile-friendly training, detailed insights, and scalable tools. Training content covers food safety, customer service, kitchen operations, and marketing. Franchisees also get hands-on training in cooking church's signature chicken and biscuits. Ongoing support includes help with hiring, tech systems, and performance tracking. Churches also offers regional coaching and regular updates to improve operations.
Anecdote. Church's spicy chicken used to be dipped in spicy batter. Now they use a special glaze that saves time, cuts costs, and tastes even better. It's a triple win for franchisees.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does churches help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Churches offers a 4-week onboarding program that includes classroom instruction, hands-on kitchen training, and customer service coaching. It's held at certified training restaurants across the U.S. Operational support. Franchisees receive ongoing help with inventory management, staffing, and performance tracking. Churches also provides access to regional business coaches who visit locations regularly. E-learning platform. Churches uses SuccessPlan, a digital learning system that allows franchisees and employees to access training modules anytime, anywhere. It includes video tutorials, quizzes, and progress tracking. Shuri marketing. Franchisees get branded materials, seasonal campaigns, and access to national promotions. Churches also helps with local advertising strategies and social media content.
Anecdote. Churches once launched a Bringin' That Down Home flavor campaign that featured real franchisees in the ads. It boosted sales and made franchise owners local celebrities in their communities.
8. Franchise inspections in churches. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Health departments conduct regular checks for food safety, cleanliness, and employee hygiene. These happen 2 to 4 times per year depending on location. Internal inspections. Church's corporate team performs brand audits to ensure consistency in food quality, service, and cleanliness. These are scheduled quarterly and include mystery shopper visits. Frequency. Expect at least one internal inspection every 3 months and one external inspection every 6 months. Surprise visits are also possible if complaints are reported.
Anecdote. One church's franchise in Georgia earned a perfect score during a surprise health inspection, and the team celebrated by giving away free biscuits for a day. It made the local news.
9. Profitability of churches. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Churches' restaurants typically generate annual revenues from $26,000 to $16,000. Net profit margins range from 10% to 15% depending on location and management. ROI. Return on investment averages between 15% to 20%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 3 to 5 years. Success factors. Profitability depends on location, operational efficiency, staffing, and local competition. Churches provides tools to help franchisees monitor performance and improve margins.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Houston turned a struggling location into a top performer by adding bilingual staff and running local promotions. His ROI jumped to 22% in just 2 years.
10. Churches in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Churches is one of the top 5 fried chicken chains in the U.S., competing with KFC, Popeyes, and Raising Cane's. It's known for its bold flavors and value pricing, growth and expansion. Churches is expanding in the U.S., Latin America, and Southeast Asia. In 2023, it opened over 100 new locations globally and plans to add 150 more by 2026. Challenges. Competition from larger brands and rising food costs are key challenges. Churches is responding by streamlining operations and launching new menu items like spicy tenders and chicken sandwiches. Forecast. The brand expects steady growth of 5% to 8% annually over the next 5 years, driven by international expansion and digital ordering platforms.
Anecdote. Churches recently launched a ghost kitchen model in Miami, allowing delivery-only service with lower overhead. It's a smart way to test new markets without full build-outs.
11. Pros and cons of a church's franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition in the fried chicken segment. B. Flexible restaurant formats and global reach. C. Comprehensive training and marketing support. Cons. A. High initial investment and financial requirements. B. Competitive market with major players like KFC and Popeyes. C. Limited menu flexibility due to corporate standards.
Anecdote. Churches once tested a breakfast menu in select locations, but corporate pulled it back to keep the brand focused. It shows how tightly the brand controls its offerings, both a strength and a limitation.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study your local area. Look at foot traffic, competition, and demand for fried chicken. Use tools like Ibis World or Vetted Biz for insights. Financial assessment. Review your budget, credit score, and ability to cover startup and operating costs. Talk to a franchise accountant if needed. Consultations with experts. Speak with franchise consultants or existing churches owners. Ask about their experience, challenges, and tips. Support evaluation. Compare churches' support with other brands. Look at training, marketing, and operational help. Franchise agreement analysis. Read the franchise disclosure document, FDD, carefully. Pay attention to fees, territory rights, and renewal terms. Hire a franchise lawyer to review it.
Anecdote. One investor almost signed with another chicken brand but switched to Church's after seeing their training platform and support system. Today, he owns 7 locations across Texas.
Conclusion. Who is the Church's franchise for, and is it worth investing? Church's Texas Chicken is a great fit for entrepreneurs who love bold flavors, Southern hospitality, and hands-on business. It's ideal for people with restaurant experience, strong financials, and a passion for customer service. The brand offers solid support, strong ROI, and a growing global presence. But it's also a competitive market, and success depends on smart management and local strategy. If you're ready to invest in a proven brand with deep roots and a spicy future, Church's might be the perfect choice. Just remember to do your homework, talk to experts, and visit existing locations before you commit. With the right mindset and preparation, Church's can be a rewarding and profitable journey. Anecdote: Church's once ran a golden biscuit contest where lucky customers found golden wrappers in their biscuit boxes and won prizes. It boosted sales and created buzz, proving that even biscuits can be legendary. Bibliography: Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Whataburger. Is Whataburger a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.